In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ads from Yahoo Mail. If your inbox feels cluttered or distracting, there are two straightforward ways to cut down the noise so you can focus on what matters. Using a web browser extension to filter ads and temporarily hiding individual ads right inside the Yahoo Mail interface. First, let's talk about using a browser extension like AdBlock to filter out ads. An ad blocker works in the background as you browse, spotting ad elements on a page and preventing them from loading. Once it's running, open Yahoo Mail and you should notice fewer promotional panels, banners, or sponsored tiles. This approach is simple, effective, and applies automatically every time you visit your inbox. If you ever see a blank space where an ad would normally be, that's expected. Your ad blocker is doing its job. And if a page layout looks a little odd, remember that most extensions let you adjust their settings later. The big advantage here is consistency. You set it up once and it continues to filter ads without you having to manage each one. Now, if you prefer not to use an extension or you need a quick fix on a shared computer, you can hide ads manually from within Yahoo Mail. Hover your cursor over an ad in the web interface and click the X icon that appears. Then choose Stop Seeing This Ad to hide it temporarily. This is handy for removing a specific ad that's bothering you right now. Keep in mind though, this doesn't turn off all ads, it only dismisses that particular one. Over time, new ads may appear, and you can repeat the same action as needed. Think of this as a spot cleaning method, fast and targeted, but not permanent. A couple of helpful reminders as you choose the method that suits you best. Ad blockers focus on the visual ad elements in the web interface, not on promotional emails that arrive like any other message. Those messages can be handled with filters, archives, or deletions if you want to keep your inbox tidy. Also, the manual hide option is designed to be temporary, so it's normal if ads return later. That's it, 2 clear ways to reduce ads in Yahoo Mail so your inbox feels calmer and more efficient. Try the method that matches your routine and enjoy a cleaner reading experience. Thanks for watching.